All right, greetings YouTube, beautiful mind here. This question comes in, we have a question here from Finite Math on counting technique using Venn diagram. So let's take a look at this. So from our text, this is section 5.3, question 40 out of the back of that question, out of the back of that section. So it says that 65 cities were surveyed to determine sports teams. 23 had baseball, 21 had rugby, and 16 had volleyball. Okay, 12 had baseball and rugby, 11 had baseball and volleyball, 11 had rugby and volleyball, and 7 had all three. How many of the cities only had a volleyball team? Okay, so something like this, just doing Venn diagrams. So we have three categories going on. So I'm going to do three circles. There's one, there's two, and there's three. Okay. So it says, so we're considering baseball, rugby, and volleyball. Okay. And then you want to put it inside your universal set or your set U. Now, again, when we're doing Venn diagrams, you start from the center and work your way out. Now it says that 7 had all three, so 7 of the cities had all three of the sports teams. And then you work backwards. Then it says 11 had rugby and volleyball. So rugby and volleyball. So if the intersection of those two have to be 11. When I say intersection, again, it says for rugby and volleyball. So rugby and volleyball, the intersection of rugby and volleyball is this football-shaped region here, or this vesica piscis here. So that region has to add up to 11. We've used 7, so that's 4. 4 is the missing part there. So then this part has to be 4. Okay, then continuing backwards, it says 11 had baseball and volleyball. So that means that baseball and volleyball, so this has to add up to 11. We've used 7, so then that remainder is 4 right here. Then it says 12 had baseball and rugby. Baseball and rugby, that has to add up to 12. We've used 7, so that's a 3 and a 2, so that's 5. So 5 needs to go here. Okay. So we keep working backwards. Then it says 16 have volleyball. So the volleyball circle has to add up to 16. Let's see, 14, 15. We've used 15 already, so for volleyball we needed 1 more to go there. The rugby set has to add up to 21. We've used 16 so far, so there's a 5 here. Then it says we have 23 had baseball. Well, 12, that's 16. So that's 4 and a 3, so 7 is left over here. So everything inside the baseball circle has to add up to 23. Then it says we surveyed a total of 65 cities. So for that outside region, we need to say 65 minus all of these numbers. Let's see. So this adds up. Let's see. This is 10. That's 14. So that's 24, 28, 32, 33. So 25 and 7. So that's 32. So it should be 32 cities surveyed didn't have any of the 3, okay? So now, provided we correctly filled in this Venn diagram, now we're ready to answer the question. It says, how many had only a volleyball team? So only a volleyball. That means they didn't have the baseball. They had a volleyball, but they did not have baseball, nor did they have rugby. So there's only one city that only had a volleyball team. Okay. So let me check this here. And I got a 1. Okay. So we got it correct.